How do you know when you're addicted to making videos? How do you know when you're addicted to helping others through videos? Right? It's not about me. When I make videos, it shouldn't be about me. Because in all honesty, people don't want to hear me talk. Right? You want to hear yourself talk. So, in this short video, in this short micro speech, by the way, I am so grateful. Just take a look at the scenery behind me. I'm out here. I'm being a little lazy today. It is Tuesday. Just being a little lazy, okay? Don't bust my chops. I got to go call on some clients in a few minutes, some leads. But I figured I'd take a few minutes and make this video. I better get out of the road, right? Yeah, let me get out of the road. So, what are we going to talk about in this video? Santos Jr. here once again, soldier of self-mastery, philosopher of everyday victorious living, victorious life coach. Man, I call myself all kinds of names. Do you? Do you call yourself all kinds of names? What kinds of names do you call yourself? Especially early in the morning. Are you calling yourself something good early in the morning? What are we going to do here on this micro speech? We're going to talk about, I really wanted to talk about making more money in this video. Making more money. And I think I will take a seat here with the birds, right? Just take a seat here. By the way, there's the whip. On the other side, you can see the little whip. I'm so grateful, man. But there's nothing promised. Life is, there's no promises. The only promise that I know of that's real, it's a real promise, is eternal life. And that's through the scriptures. That's through Jesus Christ. And of course, death is guaranteed too, because it's going to come. We're going to walk through that final door one day. We don't know how we're going to go. We don't know when we're going to go, but it's going to happen. I'm also a life agent, a state licensed life agent. And right now I help families and senior citizens get protected with final expense burial insurance. So how do you make money? How do you generate more income? What's the goal? Is the goal to make $100,000 a year, $200,000, $300,000 or more? What's the goal? Well, what is your goal? How much money do you want to see yourself making? How much money are you making currently? Or how much income are you generating through your service that you provide in the marketplace? That's the question that we really need to ask, right? We don't make money. People at the Mint make money. We generate income by bringing a service, some kind of a product or a service to the marketplace, to other human beings. In return, we get a paycheck. So in this world, especially in California, we really need to be making more money because it's going to get more expensive to live out here. But the goal isn't to focus on money. The goal is to focus on what can I do. The focus is how can I serve others. See, in fact, sometimes you may have to even volunteer to learn something better, something new, something that's going to help you financially. Not in all cases. There's many different ways that we can do. There's many different ways that we can achieve this goal of generating more income. Why would you want to generate more income? Number one, to live, to make sure that you give to charity. Think about the things that you do with money. All of the things that you do with money. Money can even help you save time. well, Santos, how can money help me save time? Well, if you're doing some kind of work, for instance, if you're doing yard work or you're washing your car or you're doing all of those things yourself, you add those hours up after a month or two. You can, you know, of course, you've got enough income coming in, you can pay somebody to do that. That frees you up to be able to do other things like make videos and sit in the park and be lazy and call on leads, etc., etc. Anyways, I'm just enjoying my day. I'm going to continue to make every day super fantastic, terrific, and over the top, in spite of and because of. I know that there's times that I go through shit. You're going to go through shit. You're going to go through the valley. You're going to be up at the mountaintop. There's going to be some days where you feel like, you know what, you're invincible. And then there's going to be those days where you feel like, you know what, you are the victim, or you are, you know, you're the target practice. You're the bullseye. And you have to balance all of these things in life, right? Life is really about having proper balance in your mindset and your lifestyle, relationships, and your everything that you do, right? And nobody has it correctly. But if you can get to that place where you're balancing everything out, you're going to be at peace. You're going to have tranquility. You're going to have more confidence. You'll be willing to take risks, more risks than what you would normally take if you would normally take, right? Confidence builds confidence, like momentum creates momentum. And think about what you could do with more confidence. Think about what you could do with more, generating more income. Think about the possibilities. You could help your family. You can help your children. And I'm not just talking about giving handouts just to give handouts. But you can do more. You can save time. You know, you could, you know, that's generating more income is like something that will help you cut the monotony maybe in half or by 3/4. You know what I mean? Just knowing that you've got that income, whether it's coming from different from different income streams. Of course, you shouldn't have they say, I remember I used to hear this all the time, that you should not have all your eggs in one basket. And I mean, that's what I'm doing. Obviously, I've got different income streams that I'm building from different platforms, but they're nearly not where I want them to be. But you got to start somewhere. You know, just having one income source is not good enough. You know, maybe you have a job, or you have a business, or you can have two businesses. You can have an investment. You can write books. You can sing songs. You can make videos. You get paid through YouTube, Google AdSense, and any other project, coaching, selling programs of whatever it is that you want to do. I mean, you're creative. We are so creative. It is. But you got to get out there. I made a video about confidence last night. I was out walking and I made a video about confidence. So you got to have confidence. In order to really generate income, you have to have confidence. You have to absolutely believe in yourself, and you got to have an attitude where you don't give a shit what people think of you. And I don't like saying it maybe rogue or rudely, but it's the truth. I really don't care anymore what people think of me. There was a period there where I used to be thinking, you know, what are people going to think about my videos? What are people going to this and this and the other thing? And ask yourself the question, what do you think about you and about what others think of you? You know, you have to answer that for yourself. So the possibilities are endless. You can generate income. You can... And of course, if you need help, if you're a person that's watching my videos and you say, well, Santos, I don't have any ideas. I don't know where I'm at in life. I'm kind of lost. I really don't have any purpose. You know, what do I do? Where do I go? Who can I make contact with something or with somebody? I'm here as a life coach in California, and I offer my services to help you achieve whatever it is that you want. My link is below, always below in the description box, soldiersofselfmastery.com. You want me to help you? I'll help you. You got to be serious about what you want, because I am. If you're as serious as I am, you're going to make something great happen. So, but other than that, there are books, there are seminars, there are webinars that you can go to, there's blogs, there are CDs that you can even listen to on how to generate more income, generate more wealth, whatever it may be. I mean, there's all kinds of ideas, and even you have ideas too. You may not realize it, but you have ideas. You daydream, and you've written things. Maybe you've written some things down, or you've talked to people, you've had conversations, and there's some things that you would enjoy doing if you were getting. I mean, if you could get paid for those services, you would enjoy doing them. You just don't have the confidence. You don't have the belief. You don't have the. Maybe you don't. Okay. You may not have the resources. You may think you may not have the resources, but you do. Because you're looking at a resource right in front of you. So, if you've enjoyed this video, let me see, what else do I want to share? If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment. Let me know that I've shared. Be specific with me. Challenge me. You know, challenge me. I'll challenge you. And share this video on another social media site, or with a friend or somebody that needs to hear a message like this. You know, it's free. And you can check out my books. I would encourage you, if you haven't purchased my book or my other, I got 2 books, the Little Red Book and 3 of Life's Most Important Questions. That link will be below. I offer coaching, Victory Life Coaching, and I also have a Problem Gambling Breakthrough Academy that I've opened up for others to purchase from wherever you are around the world. There's no excuse. If you want to stop problem gambling, you don't have to pay me as a coach, but you can you can enroll in the Problem Gambling Breakthrough Academy. So there's no excuse. There really is. I mean, there are excuses, but I'm not going to accept them for myself, and I won't accept them from others either. And you have to have that attitude, man. If you're going to become successful, if you're going to become better, if you want to generate more income, you have to absolutely be focused and determined on what it is that you want to do. Period. So, with that said, once again, Santos Jr. here on a super fantastic, terrific, over the top, in spite of Tuesday. I appreciate you, my friend. You can do it. You can do it. If you need help, get help. If you want me to support you and help you and coach you in your endeavors, my team, I'll bring my team on, and we will work with you to make sure that you achieve what it is that you want to achieve, my friend. Whatever it is. Peace through strength. I'll see you at the top on the inside on my very next one. Let me see. Oh, remember to donate financially too. Support this mission as I continue to help others. And if you want to talk to me more about financial, if you want to talk to, maybe you're an employee, or maybe you want to start up a business, you're in the process of, you want to talk to me, I will give you a free consultation. We will dive deep, and we'll take on any matter. All right.